Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, choose your fave. If you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey, so happy to have you back. And as you can see from the title, I'm wearing this gorgeous wig unit from KissLove hair. They went ahead and sent me this pre-bleached snug fit 360-degree lace wig unit. So that means this wig can be pulled up, and literally you could just do a quick, easy and simple style. Today I feel like I'm just gonna use the claw clip just to show you guys, but I'm gonna leave out the two little bangs because I think that's a vibe. And then all you have to do is just put your hair up and the 360 is in effect. Give me 1 second. Yeah, so I really feel like if you were to glue the part down in the back, it would be very nice, snug and secure. But as for right now, I'm just showing you guys that this wig has the potential to be put up, and I think once I get the hang of gluing back down, I will. But as for right now, I have no additional help, so that's kind of crazy if I could do that myself. And hats off to the girls that can do that, because honey, I am not one of them. But as you can see, the wig goes right back down into the curls that are still there and long lasting, and I'm living for that. And enough of me rambling. I literally just gave you guys a mini tutorial in this intro, but that is just to show you how versatile this 360 unit from KissLove hair is. And if you go ahead and check the links out in the description box, you're gonna be able to see they have a whole bunch of discount codes going on this season for Christmas. You don't want to miss it, so definitely hop on board and check it out. I'm living for the highlights in this hair. It is so perfect, and if you definitely want to get some color in for this Christmas season, check the links out in my description box. I had no issues with this hair. I have zero complaints. It is super duper seamless. This wig, the lace is perfect because it is a glueless unit. And when I say glueless, I mean 100% glueless. I did not have to put any type of glue on this unit. All I had to do was fix the adjustable strap in the back and tighten the two little elastic pull drawstrings that I have on the side, and it literally came to life. So definitely KissLove, y'all ate with this one, and I'll see you all in my next one. Just keep on watching if you'd like to see how the entire install turned out. Alright you guys, so this is my finished look and my gorgeous unit is from KissLove hair. I decided to go ahead and just put some loose curls in it, and I really love this vibe. It's giving grown and sexy. You know, I did cut layers in it so it could give more of somewhat of layered curls. If you know what that looks like, it would obviously give you like a downwards effect where the curls are concerned, and I am honestly loving it. This hair has held this curl really well, and it's been about maybe an hour since it's been curled. I'm living for the flatness of this unit, and from KissLove hair, they went ahead and sent me their pre-bleached snug fit 360 glueless lace wig. It is also in 24 inches and it has the brown highlights. So all throughout the wig I do get that highlighted effect, and it is majority black, but I'm loving the highlights in this hair. It gives some vibrance. It's giving definitely holiday hair. You know, for the holidays you need to get you something with color, and right now KissLove is having their sale. I'm living for the hair. I cannot stop running my hands through it. It is absolutely perfect, and if you'd like to get your hands on this gorgeous unit from KissLove hair, don't forget to go ahead and check the links out in the description box. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.